Hi, I'm Amy, and this is my husband, MJ, and our 5 boys, Bobby, MJ, Striker, Nodus, and Rebel.
And together we are Motherlode Sailing. We left our home in Florida on a journey of a lifetime aboard our 50-foot sailboat, living and traveling by sea.
Stowing memories and pursuing an education outside of the classroom.
So hit the subscribe button and hop aboard for an off-the-wall odyssey.
And if you're gonna do something, do it now, because tomorrow is too late. Wow, we're not in Panama anymore. Hey guys, okay, weeks later. Sorry for the delay. Wow. I cannot wait to share with you our content that we have gained in the last 4 weeks. I mean, you name it. Well, we won't say that. Here's how it all started.
Why don't you put this on before you take it? I said wait. Patchy.
How's he going along?
I'm gonna need to put the parts yourself.
Whoa! Is that MJ screaming?
I got one.
Oh my god. Savages! Savage.
Absolute and
Savages.
I only got 2 pieces.
Savages.
What?
2 things of candy. Bubble gum and this ring thing.
Don't eat the wrapper. Savages.
Whoa. That was very good. Yeah, I just had to. I would say the old lady.
Woo! I think I just got that on video.
It's sad. We're leaving San Blas. We just made friends, and now we're leaving.
It's the sad part about cruising.
But we see an opportunity, and we got to take it.
You can't just sit here.
So,
So you get
Zooming out doesn't help either.
Bye. Bye, Saul.
We'll be back.
all right.
Mom.
say bye, TJ Bay. Say bye, San Blas. Bye, San Blas.
Dad, that's so.
So we headed out of San Blas and everything seemed pretty smooth sailing, which it's funny that saying, you know, there's some fierce lightning. So we're coming into a squall. We just briefed in the jib. Obviously the wind switched directions. Look at the shelf clouds. We're headed straight towards it. Oh boy. We might want to reef the main, I feel, a little bit. Some serious lightning. All right, guys. Here we go. Alright, now we're going to come into some really serious wind. Really serious wind. The roll curler just broke. We don't have a curler. Can't do it yourself. Get up here. What do we need? Get up here. Put that shit down. Can furl in our sail. Actually, the sail was furled in and then it just went to full sail. Holy shit! Hold that gypsy! Worst case scenario. I think we're through the worst of the storm. Ease it out, ease it out, ease it out. I think we're through the worst of it. But like half furled to full unfurled, full sail in a freaking squall. So after the Squall, we enjoyed a really pretty sunset, and our timing was a little off, so we were going to be pulling into port in the dark, which is always pretty stressful. No matter how well you know the area and whatnot, especially when there's a lot of reef involved, and Linton Bay is very reefy. So you got to be careful and use extra caution, basically. We made it in, and it was a beautiful night. We rested up, and the next day we were right back at it. Right back at it.
Retrieving the children. We banished them to the island hours ago.
Have you guys built a new community? Do you have a new family? Hang on. This howler monkey is a female. Her name is Jessica.
Yes. She's also the only monkey left on this island.
She's the only monkey on the island.
Yeah.
Stop. Are you serious? That's sad. She's the only howler monkey left on this island.
Guys, hey, stop!
Buenos dias.
Careful, don't make any sudden movements.
Mamá. Hi. Lee es tu madre. Para niños. Yeah. No, you be nice. Don't freak out.
If anybody touched her. The dude said that you shouldn't touch her.
Yeah, we won't.
Look at her.
We are feeding Jessica. Give her. Jessica wants carrot. It's pretty hard. Jessica, you gotta get closer here. Oh. Let's let her select what she wants. Oh. She likes the cabbage.
Okay, take it. Bye-bye, Jessica.
Alright, well, let's leave her some of these foods. Let's
leave
leave those peppers here.
Put that banana right there.
And we'll put the banana here.
I'm Jessica.
Or it won't fall. There we go.
Hello, Jessica.
I'm scared.
I think she's gonna go in the dinghy. I'm on a mission because I'm not making dinner. The big breakfast, and I told everyone, like, we're going to get burgers
Then fries.
and fries. Squall Pass, and we are getting in the dinghy and leaving our vessel on another vessel with multiple other vessels. All right.
Did you bring your phone? What's that? Yeah, I got the phone. Oh, let me turn it on.
Probably. Oh, come on. Hola. Let's see. He's a cute little monkey. Look at him. Oh, yeah, no. He's like, nope, absolutely not.
Whoa.
Oh, they are fierce.
And spicy.
Hey, guys.
They can't attack.
It's okay. We don't want to mess with you. Not us.
Not attack.
Don't try him. We're going to get attacked by a tribe of monkeys.
Bye-bye, monkey.
Not us.
Goddess is gonna pull one wrong move and like like that. Look at that.
There's going to be a whole like 150 like militia. Did you just say silverback?
Oh, so there's probably, he's got children back in there.
Oh God, I'm like, could you imagine if a silverback? Oh my God. Oh. Look at this! Ah, it's like a horror movie. Oh God. Okay. Go. Go. You made him mad. Go. It's okay. It's okay. Okay.
Hey, get your shoes, man. I was watching this thing on Netflix.
Oh my God.
Some good waves this winter. I'll be missing surfing. Missing having a surf buddy. Fucking into one places I wouldn't otherwise go.
It's just temporary. We'll be back.
Alright, man. Be safe out there.
All right, so that is it for this week's episode. Episode 80 is a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all of our viewers. If you haven't done so, please like and subscribe. Come back next week. It's going to be a crazy episode. I really can't wait to share it with you guys. Until then, thank you so much to our patrons. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for your support and all of your help. In so many ways. We are so grateful. And yeah, that's it. So come back next week for episode 81. We will be leaving Linton Bay and heading out on what ended up being the craziest, biggest, longest, gnarliest passage this crew has fared thus far. And yeah, can't wait to share it with you. So until next week, the Motherlode crew are out. And that is it. From the beautiful state of Florida and the Fort Pierce Inlet, we will see you later. Thank you for watching. Bye.